This is how you can reactivate a deactivated or deleted TikTok account. It is important to note that you can only do this within 30 days of deactivating or deleting a TikTok account. If you're a returning subscriber, keep being amazing. If you're new here, you're welcome. Let's get started. On your mobile device, launch the TikTok app. Once you launch the TikTok app, you have to sign up into your account. You can use your phone or email. If you can still remember your username, you can go with it. If your Facebook or Google or even Twitter is connected to your TikTok, you can use this. Once you input your username, you will simply have to tap on reactivate. Missing the joy and creativity on TikTok? Reactivate your account now and it will take just a few minutes to recover all of your content. Once this is done, ta-da! Look at your account. Both the following, the followers, the likes, and even all of your content have been reactivated. This is how you can reactivate your deleted or deactivated TikTok account. Remember, you can only reactivate a TikTok account within 30 days of deleting or deactivating this account. Thanks for watching, guys. I will see you in my next one.